welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today we are going to be making the fluffiest homemade pancake ever. Only Junior and Georgia fans will understand that. Definitely. So let's dive right into it. Okay.
So here are the recipes needed to make your yummy pancake. 2 eggs, your milk, and of course your pancake mix. You have the recipes written behind, and that's basically it. That's all you need, stars. First, pour in your pancake mix into a bowl. Yeah, when you're done doing that, you break the eggs into the bowl and you finally pour in your milk. Yeah, pour in your milk. When you're done with your milk, now guys, give that mix a good stir. Stir it properly, guys. Make sure there are no lumps. Mix your pancake batter till it gives you this texture. Once your batter gives you this look, then you're good to go. Okay, go ahead and oil your frying pan with a little oil. Then you put in your butter and allow it to fry on very low heat, guys. Once you start seeing bubbles, then it's time to flip over. So carefully flip over to the other side, and then you allow it to fry as well. After some time, okay, take it out, and guys, keep repeating the process till you are done with your batter. Okay, just keep doing that over and over again. Once you're done with your batter, voila, your pancake is ready. Top up with any toppings of your choice, stars. Anything that will make you look at it and want to eat it. So stars, back to our movie Ginny and Georgia. We love the movie so much that we were always anticipating to watch it every night. There was never a dull moment. Literally has a bit of everything in it. Oh my gosh, the ending is just so... We need a season 3 now. Let's know in the comment section who your favorite character is. Mine has to be Austin, Ginny's son. Thanks for watching up to this point. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share. Bye.